Hello everyone and welcome back to my video. So for today, I am going to open a new Lego and it is a gift from my dad and from my mom last December, and then I am so busy of my studies and today I'm going to open it now. Here it is. So I'm going to open it. Okay. Let's open. So let's see what's inside. Got a nice big bag number 2. Here's the logo. And another one. It's bag number 1. It's bag number 3. It's a bit big, I guess. And the last one is the bag number 4. And there's more inside. Ooh, these are nice. These are very, very pretty. I never had these before. I love them. We got some sheet of stickers. That's nice. And some instructions manual right here. A instruction manual, the first one. And the second one is right here. And I think that's all. Oops. I'm gonna put that aside. And I think here we start with the bike. Instructions for the bike. Aha, right here. So I would like to shout out to Teacher Michelle, Ate Iniyat, and Ate Lovell, Ate Tep-Tep, and Ate Ara, and Ate Sherelle. My cousins, Jojo and Kuya Jaggy, and then also my tito and my tita, Yaning and Ola. Let's start to build my new Lego. So I'm going to open the bag number 1. Cut it open. Okay, I think that's open. I can handle it. We pour out these bags and the accessories. So I think in instructions we start with this and then with this. Okay, I'm gonna find. Okay, found it. Okay, now it looks like it's not sticking. Why? Okay, there. Now stick. And for the other one, looks okay, yellow. Yellow piece right over here. Why are you not sticking? Okay, there, and then looks like it's this right over here. Okay, now it's perfect. And then this mint piece, I'm gonna stick it right over here. Now my hands are full of fur. Okay, now let me get this sticker. Looks like it's this fruit. Peel it. Satisfying. And then it's time to put it carefully right here. Oh no, not really good at this. Oh no. Okay, I think this is good. And then for the next instructions, looks like I need these pink straight in this way, and this other pink straight in this way as well. And then I need the claw piece. Okay, stick that right there. No, sign. Here, I'm gonna stick this right here. A bit hard. Okay. And looks like this one. Over here. And then this little mini stove piece. Actually, I have one of these in my old Legos. And a cute strawberry. Yummy. Okay, now for the next. It's a blender. I'm gonna build a blender. And oops. Piece look like this. And then this. And this clear piece. This is nice. And it looks like I need to put cherries. These look cute. One cherry, other cherry, and this white top piece. This is very nice. I don't have these kind of Legos. They're so unique. Okay, I'm trying to put them right here. And now for the other side is where to put the drinks. So it's time for the drinks. Now, it says to upside down this piece and then use this piece. Oh no. It fits perfectly. This one right here. Oh, that actually looks like a drink. It's delicious. Now it's time to put it right over here. And same thing as the yellow one. Right over here. Oops. Right there. Put it right over here as well. Okay, this is looking pretty much great. Now for the next page. Oops. Right here. And it looks like I need this piece right over here. Oh no. How do I? It's thick and these little warnings look nice as well. So I'm gonna put them right at this window piece. Oh, they're so cute. It's looking almost like a smoothie bike or something. I don't know what that called, but I'm gonna call it a smoothie bike. Okay, now it's time for the other one. Ah, finally the bike. I'm waiting. Okay, this already has this little wheel. I think they attach it. Okay, I think I'm gonna put a clip right here. And then this one goes right here. On right there. And for the next page, wait a minute. Oh, that's the end. Okay, now for these, I'm going to add this wheel. This is how it goes. Okay, that looks nice. There. Oh, look at that! It's a mini cute little bike. It's a little mini smoothie bike. Right here is a little mini sign and the drinks and the blender, and here's the bike. Here's a cute little wheel. And then right here some awnings and a little mini window. And now I'm going to build a Lego doll. Here's the bottom. And this is the torso. Gonna put them together. And the head. I think this is Mia's head. Okay, that looks good. And then the hair, let me see. Okay, now that looks nice. Let's put Mia in the bike to make sure the bike will work. No, it's not working. It's not working. Why won't you fit? Okay, now it fits. Mia will stay like that. Okay, I think there's another figurine. Oh no. It's just... Oh, look at this! It's a baby! I think this is a baby. Put her head. And her hair. Is this looking nice? No, it's not. Okay. Right there. Here it is. The little mini girl. And then I think I'm gonna work with this. Take this as a table. And then stick this right here. And like the mini chairs. Oh, this is cute. I love it. It's a mini table set. The chairs. Cute. Okay. What's this? Oh, I guess this. I hope you guess this, guys. It's super easy. Okay, we're gonna put this pink square and this green piece thingy, and then this. I hope you guessed it. This red piece. Okay, and then this. Okay, and it's a sandwich. Oh, that looks so delicious. Let's put the sandwich here. Oh, it's flowing. Right here's a little mini cup. Teeny, teensy. And I think this is a sign. A sign. Oh yes, it's a sign. Okay, I'm going to add it the sticker. I remember that it's this sticker. So I'm going to add this right here. Okay, because there's a sign right over here. Sign over here. And the table, of course, the chairs, has to have stickers as well. Healing. Rabbits. This has mine. No, no, it's not good. It needs to be welcoming. I think that's nice. Okay, now for the other sticker, it's from a table. This. Oh, I'm not good at this. Stickers. Be straight, you look like an egg yolk. Oh no, now I can take it off. Oh no. I'm having a little hard time here. This is not good. It's not good. I'm going to leave that alone. That does not look nice. because my hands are a bit shaky. I'm gonna leave that alone. Pretty sure this is going to be bad. Because I'm bad. I'm bad at putting stickers. I have a little sneeze. Sandwich back. I'm gonna set this up right over here with the little me sign. I'm gonna put the helmet up here. Oops, this is not good. No. I'm gonna put the helmet down, I guess. Another little me girl. Okay, I'm done with this. You will fall down, okay? So, okay guys, let us build a cafe right over here. But before that, I would like to show you something that I draw last Sunday right over here. So that you could learn something about God created things. Okay, so up and down. Right here is the dark, and in the day 1, it's the dark and the light. And the day 2 right here is the sun, stars, and the moon. In the day 3, God created some tall trees and then flowers. And then in the day 4, God created sea animals and then birds to fly up in the sky. And then it's the day 5, there is animals. And then in the day 6, right here, there's people, girl and boy. They were Adam and Eve. And then, I'm so sorry that I did not draw the day 7, but I will let you know in the day 7, God rested that day. So let us not forget that God created everything and He's our good builder. So okay guys, I hope you can see me in my next video that I'm going to build my cafe. So bye, God bless.